Our name is Innovate Building Solutions, and if we're not innovating, I think somebody have to pull the name from us. So we're always looking for what's hot and cool and different. And this year we're super excited. We have 6 new patterns coming in the line. First one, this one right now is called Moonstone. It's sort of a white and gray pattern. It's got a little bit of a grout line in it. This one I'm very excited about. I see a lot of this. It's called light wood, and there's a nice texturing to it. I see a lot of this type of a pattern in high-end kitchens, actually. This one is called gray slate, kind of a fun-looking matte finish gray. This one we've had a lot of positive. It's a smoky blue pattern in a stack configuration. So if you've got a tiny bathroom, this can help because it makes it feel taller, especially if it's short. Black marble. This one we've had people asking us to get for about 2-3 years. We've finally done it. This will be coming in. And this one, that was really neat. It's got kind of a rougher texture, and it's got really a lot of interest and definition in it. So these are coming 2024. Love to get your input on them. Which of these patterns do you say, hey Mike, those are fantastic, you guys need them? Or which do you say, oh my God, what are you guys thinking? What are you guys smoking over there? So give us your input. These are coming 2024, probably in the second and the third quarter.